20. Let's go! hätte ich ja so Bock drauf mitzufahren, ne? Soll ich fürs Aftermovie mit drauf? Update. Oh ja.
Ja.
This little yellow one here is so cute.
Yeah.
The one to six? Yeah, it's an amazing condition.
Yeah, it is.
I can only wish.
Driving spot on another flight. Money came, and it went, burning from the light. Know you hit different side in your eyes. Tell me when you're ready, tell me when you're trying to slide on a red eye. Move for me, mama, can't forget it, it's a dead eye. Turn it to a feeling, and I think I like it better. Miss on the ceiling, said it's stormy like the weather. We could go wherever, shorty. Take a better to her. I don't fuck with them, how they talk like they know us. Talk, let me walk through the snow where we grow up. Tears in the city, baby, we can feel it pull up. On a better dark side, shorty got me feeling like a Jedi. Might get crazy, baby, know you really bad. I turn into a savage when I'm faded, baby, yes I got a couple voices in my head, no I said on driving sport on another vibe. Money came, then it went, running from the light. Know you hit different side in your eyes. Tell me when you're ready, tell me when you're trying to slide on a bed eye. Move for me, mama, can't forget it, it's a dead eye. Turn it to a feeling, and I think I like it better. Miss on the ceiling, said it's stormy like the weather. We could go wherever, shorty, take a better to her. I don't fuck with them, how they talk like they knew us. Talk, let me walk through the snow where we grow up. Tears in the city, baby, we can feel it pull up. On a better crossing over lines. Know it hit different side in your eyes. No, you're not innocent, tell me if I'm right. Tell me when you're ready, tell me when you're trying to slide like.
We are very happy to welcome guests from different countries to the 7th meetings of the Italotreffen Westerwald, namely from Germany, Poland, the Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, Austria, Switzerland, Scotland, Wales and England. With a journey of 1,344 kilometers all the way from Scotland in a light blue Abarth 500. Our old but third trophy goes to the beautiful Bianchi A112. The car with the highest mileage here today is the Alfa Romeo 159, boasting an impressive 390,116 kilometers. Now we come to our final 3 trophies, the category Best Car of Show. Third place goes to the Abarth Punto Evo SAS from Belgium. Next goes to the stylish blue Fiat Coupe. First place is the grand winner of today's show, the sparkling Fiat Grande Punto.
This is just a little thank you for the invite to us from you guys, for your whole organisation team. Just for you guys to say, you are amazing. Thank you very much.
And we will be very happy to see you next year, July the 19th. Thank you very much.
Hey, Papa! So schräg das eigene Auto zu sehen, wenn man selber nicht der Fahrer ist.